What's up everyone, welcome back, it's Kongboy. In this video I'll be explaining Decentraland and doing some gameplay. Decentraland was the first virtual world to come out on Ethereum, and it was released in February of 2020. To get started, go to decentraland.org and then click Start Exploring. It's gonna ask if you want to download the Windows application, but this is not necessary since you can always just play in your browser, and that's what I'm gonna do here. So click on Explore Web, and then it'll ask if you want to sign in with your wallet or play as a guest. Now, in order to sign in with your wallet, you need to create a domain name that's gonna act as your username, and it's a .dcl for Decentraland, .eth, which is an ENS subdomain. So I have decentrabrain.dcl.eth. So if you go here, my name is Decentrabrain, and you can also see I have collectible wearables for my avatar. So if I click on this, I can see what my character looks like. And I was given that for free, so I'm not sure where that came from, but it looks like a pretty baggy hoodie. So when you spawn in, you'll arrive at Genesis Plaza, and you'll notice you can be in third-person view or in first-person view. So you can see what events are going on here currently, or you can go over and see where people are playing and in what plots and how many. So right now it looks like it's the Stronghold Ice Poker Casino. So Decentral Games is a very popular location in this game, and it allows you to do things like blackjack, Texas Hold'em, and just gamble. So let's jump in right there. Basically, you will need a ice poker wearable in order to play hands, and so that's going to cost almost $500. But I don't have one of these, but I will be able to walk around and check it out. So here we are, and it already tells me that in order to play, I need to get a wearable, and then I can earn ice tokens. But I'm not going to do that right now. So you'll notice if you leave this area, the user interface just disappears. So that's part of the way games can be set up within plots of land. They also have portals to their other locations, and this is one of them. But soon you'll see players start to appear in here. It's definitely not just empty, and there's definitely a reason for a lot of these tables. So if you check it out, you'll see there's a Pepe. Look at that guy. Kind of tells you about the game. Very funny. Wow. Okay. But yeah, so this is Metaverse gambling. Another thing we can check out is this this bar that I found down here, and it is called Frankie's Tavern. So you can jump into there. Takes a bit to load. If you're running on a laptop, it's definitely going to be very graphic intensive, and you may need to lower the resolution in order to get better frame rate. Alright, so here we are. It says welcome to Frankie's Tavern. There's some areas outside of this, but let's check out the inside. Alright, so it looks like we can smoke a virtual cigar, and also grab a mug and fill it up with beer. Let's check this out. Alright, let's go. We have our beer, and it looks like there's some smoke around me already. Alright, so here we are. We can just chill in the metaverse. Unfortunately, there's no one to hang around with, but you can watch a movie, refresh it, or even dance. So Look at that. Alright, well, let's see what else there is. Okay, well, it looks like the alcohol and tobacco are not allowed outside of the premises of this plot of land, so it looks like even laws apply in the metaverse. Let's check out what's over here. This looks like the transit system. You can see some of the carts going up. But yeah. Let's walk over here. Alright, that looks like a yacht club over there. This looks like a spaceship. We have some kind of futuristic tree. And that's the tavern over there. So as you can see, this is the map, and it's extremely large, and we're only seeing this area of the map right here. But these green areas are districts, and then these blue areas are just very large estates. So you can check out some other areas. Let's go to Sotheby's. Sotheby's is a famous traditional auction house, but they've made a version of their auction house in the metaverse. You can see there's a CryptoPunk right outside, and there's a guy here to greet us. He looks a little too realistic, kind of creepy, if I'm being honest. But let's head inside. Alright, here's a gallery. And then you can interact with these NFTs, and you can view the auction on their main website. That's not the right one. Let's see this one. Yeah, so it kind of tells you about the artwork. Alright, so that's Sotheby's auction house. So to go back to the menu, click escape to free your mouse, your cursor, and then go up to the top left. And then you can change your settings, see the map, view your inventory for things like collectibles, wearables, and emotes, as well as back to the explore page, which we saw sort of at the beginning, where you can see which plots of land are the most popular and where people are playing, as well as events that are live and coming up. So that's kind of cool if you want to check it out. But another thing we want to see is the Decentraland DAO. So this was created to help make the metaverse decisions be in the hands of those who played it and the community. So the first decision that was actually made by the community was to increase the size of plots from 10 by 10 meters to 16 by 16 meters. And that was voted on by majority and then made into Decentraland law. Next, let's check out the Metaverse Music Festival, and that's going to be at -6580. So let's find -65, wrong way, -6580. So that will be right around here. Let's see what this is. So there's even virtual concerts that are held in Decentraland, as well as fashion weeks and community events. So you can see a lot of bright colors, moving objects, screens, and I don't even know where to head to next, but there's a lot going on. Let's try to find this stage. Yeah, so this could be where people gather around. But here we go. This just spawned in. There we go. That looks like something. Well, very cool. This is the Metaverse Music Festival, and basically owners of land can make their plots free to play and open to anyone, or restricted with tokens. So an example of that is with the casino. you can see that if I go to, I think it's called the Diamond Hands Lounge, it only allows people who have level 5 ice wearables, and so this means that you need to have this NFT in order to even get in. So let's see if we can find that. Yeah, so you can click find another venue, Diamond Hands City. Looks like it's not gonna let us go there. But yeah, basically it is token gated and exclusive. I do want to get one of these ice wearables in order to play some poker and lose some money for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button if this helped, and I'll catch you later.